Hold on to your feelings. I don't want to hear them anymore. Whoa. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Mike again, Garage Junkie, right? Gilbert.
This other guy.
Yeah. So we're here today because we finally decided, by we, I mean Gilbert finally decided he wanted to spend some money on something. You know, I think we all remember this, right? Right? It has sat here untouched for like a year and a half. So,
I remember. I was there.
time to get started working on it. All right. All right. We good?
Yeah,
We
sorry.
good? We good? All right.
Well, if you didn't already know, this is the project Ramcharger. We haven't really named it anything cool or fun or interesting at the moment, but this used to be Mike's, and I bought it off him probably at this point almost 4 years ago, and it had a running 318. It was a running driving truck. There was nothing wrong with it. I decided to put a turbocharger on it, and I drove it around for a little while like that, and I lifted a head on it and blew the motor up and decided I was going to LS swap it. Well, 4 or 5 months later, I got into a position where I could buy a place of my own instead of renting, and I went ahead and did that. Look, my butt crack. And it exhausted all my money. I had nothing left in the extra douche stuff fund. So it got put on the back burner. Then I got in a position where I could do it again, and I decided to get married. So there went all the extra money there. And I bought a truck also in between those two things. So it was just, you know, Gilbert just throwing money everywhere. So anyway, we're back on it. You're probably wondering why we're picking this thing up with a forklift and not just pushing it, but I lost the keys. Long story short, I didn't want to pop the column and do all that nonsense, so I just grabbed the forklift and scooped it on up. So you're just going to see me kind of doing those shenanigans here for the next couple of minutes, but we are also going to be LS swapping it in this episode. We picked up a motor and trans for kind of mock-up purposes to build some mounts, and that's pretty much what this video is about. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. Probably going to be a bit more voiceover, so watch me sketchily move this Ramcharger from the front lot to the back lot so we can start building some mounts and getting everything all cleaned up. Thanks, guys.
Oi! What is this?
Engine.
What is this?
That's a
CPU and a fuse box and a gas pedal. What is that? Everything?
Just about. Just about.
Yeah.
Yeah. Except, I mean, I don't know if we're going to use all of it necessarily. I have really deep pores. If you could tell, we're not going to use all of it, but we're going to use a majority of what's here for the mock-up.
Get on with it. Yes, get on with it.
Where do you want to go with it?
Right over here against the fan. Against fan. Okay, let's spin it around.
Make sure you put the nice sharp corners on the ground.
Yes.
Hey, there's the thing.
There it is. You son of a gun. I was looking for you. You've been gone for about a
Year and a half?
year and 3-4 months, I think. Yeah. All right.
Still ringing.
They found water.
What is that?
Oh, it's a Chinese wastegate, bro.
And that's how you blow up a Dodge 360.
Yeah, this little guy. See this little guy right here? This little guy come off. Boom. And this little guy in there stopped working. And when I looked up at the gauge, it was like 24-ish. And then there was coolant all over the.
So it took 24 psi before it blew up the heads.
I mean, but it was hauling ass. I was doing a burnout for the guys over at the car part over there, restoring or you know, they get the. And they were all standing out doing work things, and I was like, I'm gonna do a burnout like a jackass, and boosh, coolant all over the windshield, and I just kept on driving. I wasn't gonna stop. That shit's embarrassing.
Well, here she is, folks. That's modified factory.
It is.
In the factory, this
riveted.
was soldered, like 16,000 joints soldered together.
Yeah, he's not lying. Thing here, emissions thing here, and a bunch of other dumb like brackets, and like you can see all these clipped wires. I just need to, I need to go get one of those universal wiring harnesses. I know those GM style wiring harnesses. Fuse box, and just rip all the wiring out of here, but that's gonna be a horse of different color, or whatever,
Or what happened.
or whatever the saying is. I don't know.
Hey, we're recording.
Oh,
So we pushed it in. Now we're gonna pull it out to go pressure wash it and put it back.
do it.
I'm gonna hook the agua up
Turn off servo as
while I work on the starter. Let's see, I think it needs to spin. This way? I don't remember which way it's supposed to spin.
I don't know.
Well, I think it spins this way. That's the direction that the rope thingy's in. Okay.
All right. Is it
Turn
on?
the water on.
You have to have like ignition source on.
It is on. Does it have a primer? It has a choke. Fuel is on.
Okay, I know what you're saying. What the heck is going on with the starting with the rope and all the shenanigans that I am watching right now? I'm going to go ahead and speed this up for you because it's essentially us for about 25 to 30 minutes trying to get this dang pressure washer to start, and we couldn't essentially get it to run. We got it to fire a few times, but hindsight's 2020. I should have just taken the carburetor off then. I would have spent just as much time. It was all gummed up. We figured that out after the fact. So we just simple greened the engine bay and hosed it down and did the best we could to get it cleaned up because it was pretty greasy and stuff from the old engine. So that's what you're looking at now. So sorry about that,
Fly
guys.
into the sun and die. That's an average day for the boss.
A lot of shit down here.
Yeah.
I think I might need more simple green. These days, Mike. You need more simple green?
You want the more simple green?
Want simple green?
What?
You okay?
Huh?
Doing alright?
What?
What? What? How you doing there, buddy? I think we ate breakfast and got dumb.
Yeah.
No, you just picked me up, that's all.
All right. Now we are ramming chargers. Ramming chargers? Alright. So now we gotta go get the engine and the transmission. That looks like a transmission.
That's a tranny.
Got some tranny trouble.
Mike's riding a tranny.
I was just gonna say that!
Me too.
Oh, crap, the battery's dying. Fuck it. There goes your plastics.
How does it go on there?
Oh, did I just break the intake manifold?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Whoops.
It's alright, we'll JB weld that bitch back on there.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, use some of these bolts you don't even use.
You might even, oh, there it is.
Hey, there it is.
I'm gonna take that guy off.
The old Mexican metric.
That was the Oklahoma micrometer.
We're in Arizona, so it's the Mexican metric.
I've always called it the Mexican toolbox because you can use it as a hammer too.
I like that one. All right.
Wrench, he wrench, he wrench, he wrench, he wrench, he wrench, he wrench. Oh, sorry. I'll stop.
Thanks.
Thank you.
I think we're all better for that one, yeah?
We're all done.
Oh, right on. What'd you say?
Time's passed, Johnny.
Yeah, see, Mike makes me repeat things all the time.
I know when they're pertinent.
Well, that was pertinent.
No, because then you're gonna lose the authenticity of it.
All right, hold on. Let's try to recreate that.
Man, these things are tight.
Or wait.
No,
They're not very tight.
Not very tight. See?
Just like my ex-girlfriend.
Jeez. You can't recreate a moment, and that's
Yeah, I know.
That's what happens.
You make me do it all the time.
No, I make you repeat pertinent information about what you've done,
Well,
so
I
I can
don't-
get you saying it.
How long
on
have you
camera.
guys been married? It's
I don't like to be a piece of repeating shit, okay?
Sure. Sure. I'm just gonna put that up there.
That's where that goes.
Got some tape. Tape it up there so it doesn't go anywhere.
You guys.
Yeah!
Sorry.
Yeah!
I am now.
Now we are. But your face isn't in frame.
Is it now?
There you go. What did we call the tranny spillage last time? Was it Lake Ramcharger or something like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got another one going on here now.
Yeah, the cap we had on the back of it kind of let out.
All right, guys, in the next
This is the section
series, we're going to show how we fabricate the engine mounts and the rear trans mount, which is full custom because that's a Dodge and we're putting in a Chevy transmission. So we have to build a cross member and make sure that our pinion angle is right or the angle of the transmission is correct to the pinion, and you know, that type of stuff. So stick with us for the next episode, and I'll see you guys later.
You stop that.
Go hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and share with your friends.